Hi, I'm Nash and today I'm making cured eggs using Heritage Breeds Copper Marin's hen eggs. Now, cured eggs are perfect to grate over salad and pasta to enhance flavour. To begin with, take a glass dish that you'll be curing your egg yolks in. Then pour in 475 grams of kosher salt and 300 grams of sugar. Mix the two together, then take a separate bowl and pour out half of the mixture. Now make an indentation in the sugar and salt in the glass dish for each yolk you'll be curing. Then for each cured egg yolk, take an egg and separate the yolk from the whites. Then really carefully place the yolk into each indentation in the sugar and salt. And choosing eggs from farms run by farmers who ensure the best quality of life and diet for its hens will mean you get a really tasty cured egg yolk. And next, take the remaining sugar and salt mixture we separated out earlier and gently sprinkle it over all the yolks until they're covered. And it can be useful to mark where each yolk is by placing something on top of the sugar and salt, and here I'm using peppercorns. Now, you need to tightly wrap the dish with cling film and leave in the fridge for 4 days to cure. And after 4 days, take the dish from the fridge, remove the cling film and carefully scoop the yolks out with a spoon. As you'll see, the yolks should have gelled up nicely, and then you'll need to brush off any excess salt and sugar. Then rinse under the tap or dip in some water to remove any of the remaining cure. And grated cured egg yolk is brilliant for jazzing things up like salad or pasta, or anything you would usually by grating over cheese. And you can see more of my recipes using Heritage Breeds eggs by clicking on one of the videos on the screen.